What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove the password requirement in the App Store on iOS devices. If you are tired of entering your Apple ID password every time you download an app, there are a few ways to simplify or remove that requirement. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your device passcode to access the settings. Once you're in, find the toggle for iTunes and App Store under the Face ID section. Turn this on to allow Face ID to be used instead of your password when making purchases or downloading apps from the App Store. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password once to confirm this change. From this point on, as long as Face ID is enabled, you won't need to type in your password. If you'd rather remove the password requirement entirely, there's another method. Go back to the main page in your settings. Tap your name at the top and then choose Media and Purchases. Tap Password Settings. Here, you will see two sections. First, under Free Downloads, turn off the toggle that says Require Password. This will allow you to download free apps without entering a password or using Face ID at all. For paid content, you can also set the purchase requirement to Require after 15 minutes, or keep it on Always Require, depending on your preference. There's one more layer you can check if you're managing a device with screen time or restrictions. Back in Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure the toggle at the top is turned on. Then, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. Under the Require Password section, change the setting to Don't Require. This ensures the system won't override your preferences with a password prompt due to parental or privacy controls. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.